Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, ayan, sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka namang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan, siya po yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And kung gusto mo din naman, no, and sana po ay mag-comment kayo po sa baba. Ayan, kasi sobrang malaking suporta po ang pinagpapakita sa akin yung mga comment ninyo. Natutuwa po ako, naaaliw ako magbigay ng reading kapag may nagko-comment sa akin. At saka at the same time, maaaring mapili ka ni Madam Jean, no, na mabigyan ng maswerteng personal reading sa kanya pong birth month, which is ang birth month niya ay sa October. So, mamimili siya ng maswerte, mabibigyan ng personal reading. Sana mapili ka. Okay. At sa comment section siya mamimili, of course. Okay, past, present, future for Libra. Let's start your reading. Kukunin ko muna yung mga cards, guys, na kailanganin ko. You do have here the 8 of Cups, the 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles. I don't know if you're dealing with a Virgo. Yeah. Kasi halos same yung mga cards na nagpapakita sa atin. Mga energy same din. Wait lang, guys. Ayusin ko lang yung... Ayan. The 7 of Pentacles is here. The Empress. And then we do have here the Queen of Pentacles at the... Queen of Pentacles in reverse. And for your future... Four of Pentacles is here. The Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles, and the 5 of Cups. Yeah, this is a lot of earth sign energy. So there's Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn energy. Okay. So, wait lang. Ayan. I-clarify ko lang yung mga cards. Magsisimula na tayo. And then, yeah, let's start your reading. Magsimula tayo dito sa 6 of Cups. What's with the 6 of Cups? The Page of Swords is here. Page of Wands. I can see communication in the past with someone na with the Page of Swords. Pwedeng hindi masyadong naging communicative sa'yo. Okay, pwedeng ikaw ito na bigay ng bigay, ikaw yung effort ng effort, ikaw yung nakikipag-communicate dito sa taong to. And you work hard, of course, no? And pwedeng yung person na to is parang wala siyang ginagawa dito sa connection or kung ano man yung ibinibigay mong efforts sa kanya in the past. And let's clarify the 10 of Coins. Yeah, we do have here the 9 of Coins. Ayan. So, I can see possible na in the past, may mga naging problems regarding pera. Ayan. And I can see na nag-take ka ng risk. Pwedeng ikaw ay nag-invest, naglabas ng malaking pera dito. Pwede rin namang hindi through investment. But for what I can see here, hindi siya nagbunga ng maganda. Ayan. And yung new opportunities na yon, pwedeng nag-end na siya. Or ang naging kumbaga hindi rin siya agad din nagtagal. Okay, nakakakita tayo ng ending. And you have lost a lot dito. Nag-take ka ng risk and malalaki yung nawala sa'yo. And what's with the 6 of coins? You do have here the death card in reverse. So, I feel like in the past, may mga tao na sa buhay mo in the past na pwedeng either tinulungan ka nila or may pagtutulungan, maybe partnership in the past. Pero hindi rin naman talaga nakipagtulungan din yung energy. Pero nandyan pa rin sila for you, like if this is regarding love or connection na may kinalaman sa love, hindi pa rin natin nakikita na completely natatapos. No? Pwedeng hindi siya tumutulong at all sa kung ano man yung pagsubok sa buhay mo or mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. Pero nandyan lang siya. You know? And for some of you, kung kahit walang kinalaman sa love, like maybe a friend or a family member na parang in the past willing silang tumulong sa'yo, hanggang ngayon nandyan pa rin naman yung willingness nila na matulungan ka. And I feel like this, kung ito ay may kinalaman sa love, this person is not happy na either hindi siya happy sa kanyang relationship dahil I can see connection na involved itong taong to, or if you are the one na involved sa another connection, hindi siya masaya sa connection mo na yon dun sa isa pang person. So yeah, kung may kinalaman sa love, pero like what I've told you kanina, hindi naman definitely may kinalaman sa love yon yung person na yon. Pwede rin namang wala. And then let's move on to your present reading. In the present, we do have here the 7 of coins, clarified by the 5 of swords, 5 of wands and the Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Nakikita natin dito na parang yung present mo, hindi mo na masyadong nilalayuan, iniiwasan, or kina-cut off. Kasi pwedeng nawala na yung galit or maybe kung ano man yung nasa dinadamdam mo dito sa person na ito. Kahit pala mo na siya yung mali or siya yung hindi nagiging open sa'yo, maybe inalis mo na lang yun. Kumbaga, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng ikaw yung gumagawa ng action dito sa person na to reach out, ganyan. And yung iba hindi man kailangan pag-reach out agad, but maybe nakikita natin na hindi ka na lumalayo or umiiwas because of whatever issues ang meron ka with this person in the past. So we do have the Empress. What's with the Empress? Na Magician. Nakakakita tayo ng sa present mo continuous yung growth. Yung iba, this could be spiritual growth or talent mo na nag-grow. I can see growth sa'yo. And tuloy-tuloy, nagiging mas magaling, nagiging mas I can really see a new beginning sa'yo. And pwedeng new friends or pagbabalik ng friends. Ganun yung manakukuha natin dito. And you're just being playful here with the magician. Yung parang you just want entertainment or ayaw mo lang ng gulo or kung ano man sa ngayon, no? So, ikaw na ito na nag-e-effort na ayusin. Kumbaga, enjoy lang ang buhay, ganun. What's with the Queen of Pentacles in reverse? Okay, I can see with the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, you do have here the Chariot in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reverse. So, marami kang gustong mangyari sa buhay mo. But the good thing about this is that hindi mo na masyadong minamadali. Maybe in the past, mahilig kang magmadali. And yun yung nawala sa'yo dito, sa energy mo dito. Sa present moment mo, maaaring pinag-iisipan mo ng mabuti bago ka mag-take ng actions. And with the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, maybe yung stability or money is not that good, pero ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit hindi ka masyadong happy or hindi ka masyadong excited gumawa ng mga pagbabago or mga new beginnings ngayon. Kumbaga parang pinag-iisipan mo ng mabuti kasi maybe financially hindi ka pa rin naman ready. Okay? And let's move on to your future. With regards to your future, the Four of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, nakakita tayo ng kalungkutan with regards to pag-iipon. Like maybe hindi masyadong nakakaipon dito in the future. And tell me more about this. The Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands, yeah. And the Four of Cups. I can see possible na may mga bagay na i-offer sa'yo na pwedeng hindi pa kasi ikaw handa or financially wala pa masyado. And yun nga, pagdating sa ipon, maybe hindi sapat yung ipon mo dito para i-accept kung ano man itong offer na ito. Okay, so ito yung nagdudulot sa'yo ng kalungkutan, ng stress in the future. What is the advice here? What is the advice here? The Page of Wands. Clarify the Page of Wands. Page of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. The stars here. Maybe you need to focus on other things. I can see children, ganun. Yung iba. So, yeah, like maybe 2 to 3 children yung nakikita natin dito. Mag-focus ka na lang dito. Hindi ito yung time for you na mag-isip naman ng bagay na may kinalaman sa pangarap mo. This is not yet the time in the future. Nasimulan siya. Maybe yung mga ideas, nandiyan yung ideas, pero huwag ka munang mag-take ng actions. Like this time, this near future is the time for you na ibigay mo muna dito sa ibang tao yung attention mo, yung efforts mo, or maybe yung money mo. If you do have money, may konti kang ipon, yan, yung iba sa inyo, just enjoy. Kasi the Page of Wands and the Page of Cups, this is like a young energy. So, i-enjoy mo yung pagiging young mo. Yun, diba? Yung medyo may liksi ka pa, kumbaga, kaya mo pang magtutumalon. Maybe you need to yung bawasan yung pag-iisip, yung obligasyon, no? I-enjoy mo lang yung buhay. And if these are young people na pinapakita dito na parang children, bigyan mo naman sila ng time. Okay, yun yung nakikita natin dyan. For some of you, you need to travel. Yeah, travel. Binibigyan ka na ng mga ideas dito in the future kung paano gagawin yung pagta-travel na yun with these people or kung paano i-enjoy yun ng sarili mo, gawin mo yun. Kasi itong mga new beginnings na ito, hindi pa siya time para simulan. Okay, so pahinga-pahinga din. What's with the wheel of the year? Okay, the wheel of the year is clarified by the Seven of Wands. Kuha pa ako isang card. What's with the Seven of Wands? Okay. Two of Cups. If you are in a relationship, itong part na ito ay maganda para sa mga may relasyon, maybe may marriage, pagsasama na involved. The person that you are dealing with, malaking pagbabago ang makikita mo sa kanya. Like, nakakita ko dito ng person na family-oriented, a person na, will try its best na pakalmahin ka. Dahil may mga times na nai-stress ka, maaaring in the past sinasabayan niya yung stress mo. Pero in the near future, hindi na mangyayari ito. Like, siya na mismo yung magpapakalma sa'yo. I can see a happy relationship, happy family energy here. So, especially if you're married, gagawin lahat ng person mo or ng partner mo na pasayahin kung ano man yung itong yung partnership or yung if there's family, yung pamilya ninyo. Okay? For some of you, if you're single, there's new love coming, pero nasa sayo kung i-accept mo, because I can see you working hard, no, sa iyong sarili. Kung gusto mo ng pagbabago, ay nasa sayo kung tatanggapin mo, kasi I can see changes sayo. Possible ka talagang magkaroon ng relationship, pero kung i-open mo sarili mo sa kanya. And the Five of Cups is here. This is additional message. What's with the King of Pentacles? King of Pentacles, he do over the world. What's with the Five of Cups in reverse? Okay, the Five of Cups in reverse is the clarified by the Devil in reverse. Well, I can see you actually being happy financially, career. Okay kasi kumpleto, nakakakita ko ng stability sa'yo. Yun nga, may advice sa'yo na regarding dito sa gusto mong simulan. Yun lang yung part na medyo malungkot, na hindi mo masisimulan yung gusto mong simulan. Pero yun kasi, hindi pa talaga time para simulan mo yun. Huwag ka magmadali. Yun yung pinaka-advice nun. Okay, huwag ka magmadali regarding this new beginning. Pero all in all, I can see happiness, at saka in the near future, nakikita natin yung pagiging stable mo. Okay, and pagiging kompleto mo with the world. This is like a complete energy. Kung makikita mo, it's like complete circle there. So, actually, it's not circle, it's oblong, no? And, pero enough na ito. Kumbaga, kung ano yung meron ka, in the future, sapat yon sa'yo. Okay? And, dito sa part na ito, I can see happiness kasi hindi mo na mararamdaman yung feeling na malulungkot or mga masasakit in the past na naramdaman mo. If there's a person na nagiging issue sa'yo in the past who is like maybe manipulative, maybe a person na parang walang pakialam, and maybe there's a bossy energy on this person in the past. Hindi mo na mararamdaman ito. I can see you being happy kasi nababaliktad na ang sitwasyon mo. No, pwedeng itong person na ito ay unti-unting nagbabago or nagbago na ng tuluyan in the future for you, and or pwedeng completely mawala siya sa buhay mo. So, ayun lang yan. Yan. And, yeah, with regards to, inuulit-ulit sa'yo, this is the 7 of cups in reverse. So, with regards to this, ito yung mga bagay na gusto mo, diba? Mga bagay na, maybe yun nga, may kinalaman sa new beginning, pinapangarap mo. The temperance is telling you to wait, maghintay ka. Okay, huwag kang ma-heartbroken. The 3 of Swords is here. I can see you feeling sad, feeling hurt, no? Dito sa energy na ito kasi hindi mo nakuha eh. Hindi nangyari yung gusto mong mangyari. Parang ganun. Pero, okay lang yan. Kasi with the 10 of Wands in reverse, at least hindi nadadagdagan yung obligasyon mo. At least hindi ka nahihirapan. So, kung hindi pa nag-work out para sa'yo, ibig sabihin, ayaw lang, no, ng universe, ng Panginoon, na mahirapan ka. Okay? Ito yung time na i-enjoy mo muna yung sarili mo. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.